Hello friends, I am Aswin Jakania. As a part of Energy Conservation Management, today we will go through Kyoto Protocol. The Kyoto Protocol is a protocol to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change aimed at fighting global warming. The UNFCCC is an international environment treaty with the goal of achieve the stabilization of greenhouse gases concentrations in the atmosphere at a level that would prevent dangerous orthopenic interference with the climate system. The protocol was initially adopted on 11 December 1997 in Kyoto, Japan, and entered into force on 16 February 2005. As of September 2011, 191 states have signed and ratified the protocol. Participation in Kyoto Protocol as of 2011. You can find there's brown countries that have signed ratified the treaty, blue no intention to rectify at this stage, dark blue Canada which withdrew from the protocol in December 2011, gray no position taken or position unknown. Objectives. Why this kind of protocol is there? Under the protocol, 37 countries commit themselves to reduction of four greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen oxide, sulfur, hexafluoride, and two groups of gases: hydrofluorocarbons and perfluorocarbons produced by them, and all member countries give general commitments. At negotiation, Annexure 1 countries, including the US, collectively agreed to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions by 5.2% of on average for the period 2008 to 2012. Since the US has not ratified the treaty, the collective emissions reduction of Annexure 1 Kyoto countries falls from 5.2 to 4.2% below base year. Each annexure party has binding commitment to limit to reduce CSG emissions, and innovative mechanisms have been established for parties to facilitate compliance with this commitment. Basically, the Kyoto Communication Q to reduce emissions. That's it. Here you can find major greenhouse gas trends. Parts per million, parts per billion. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, methane, CF12, CF11. Here you can find year-wise emission trends, which is increases day by day. 2012 emission target, Austria to United Kingdom. You can find over here United States of America 93, Austria, Bulgaria, Canada, etc. Five parties have an alternative base year: Bulgaria 1988, Hungary the average of the year 1985, Poland, Romania, Slovenia. International Emission Trading (IET), International Emissions Trading. Under this mechanism, an Annexure 1 party may transfer Kyoto units to or acquire units from another Annexure 1 party. Emission trading does not affect the total assigned amount of Annex 1 parties collectively, rather, it redistributes the assigned amount among them. A party may acquire an unlimited number of units. Joint implementation. It is project-based mechanism by which one Annexure 1 party can invest in a project that reduces emissions or enhance sequestration in another Annex 1 party and receive credit for the emission reduction or removals achieved through that project. The unit associated with GI joint implementation is called an emission reduction unit. The total projected emission saving from joint implementation by 2012 are about one-tenth that of CDM. Clean development mechanism. Here you can find Annexure 1 country and Annexure 2 non-Annexure 1 country. Annexure 1 country means Japan and non-Annexure 1 country means Thailand. Clean Development Mechanism (CDM) credits may be generated from emission reduction project from afforestation or reforestation project is non-Annex 1 parties. Unlike emission trading and the GA project under the CDM create a new quota unit and their acquisition by Annexure 1 parties increases both the total assigned amount available for those Annex 1 parties collectively and their allowable level of emissions. CDM project results in three types of Kyoto unit. Certified emission reductions are issued for projects that reduce emissions. Detail of the agreement. Which kind of agreement in this Kyoto Protocol? National emission targets include international aviation and shipping, land use and forestry can be used in meeting targets, common but differential responsibility, larger share of emissions originated in developed countries, relatively low emissions in developing countries. Share of emissions in developing countries will grow to meet their social and development needs. Per capita emissions. Financial commitment. Developed countries have to pay billions of dollars and supply technology to other countries for climate related studies means that adoption fund enforcement enforcement. If a country is not in compliance with its emission limitation, it is required to make up the difference during the second commitment period plus an additional 3%. It will also be suspended from the making transfer under an emission trading program. So this was all about the Kyoto Protocol. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning.